Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific truck or any other vehicle we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2015 Toyota Tundra, 5.7 liter V8 motor in this thing. It's got, it looks to be a 4 to 6 inch lift kit on it, oversized tires and wheels, just a really nice vehicle. Starting on the front, you're going to notice the aggressive front hood you have here. The nice chrome inserts. As you can see, this is a dark blue in color exterior paint job on this. Upgraded fender flares located here on the side. And a really nice aftermarket 20-inch rim wrapped in a mixed Mickey Thompson tire. Looks to have plenty of tread depth left on those tires. Upgraded chrome running boards located on the driver and passenger side. I don't see any dents, no scratches on this vehicle. Whoever did own it, you can tell, took very good care of it. The undercarriage on this vehicle, as you can see, there's no rust on it. Looks to be in very good shape underneath there. Chrome rear bumper. It does have dual Flowmaster exhaust with the chrome tips on it, as you can see there. It does have your factory tow hitch located right there, with your 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup located right there on the back bumper. This vehicle also is equipped with a factory backup camera that's located right here. All in all, a really nice vehicle and a very hard vehicle to find, especially considering that it does have the lift kit on it, the oversized tires and wheels, and a Toyota with only 50,000 miles on it, guys. And with that V8 motor, you should still be able to get in the mid-20s, I would say, on highway fuel economy, which makes it nice when you have that decent fuel economy in a four-wheel drive truck. It does have power windows, as you can see right here, and also power locks located right above that. Power mirrors are located right here. You can also turn your interior cab lights off if you'd like for nighttime. And this button right here, it's for your rear sliding window, which is a really cool rear sliding window. It's the whole exterior window. It does fold up and down by a push of a button, and it does have a defrost on the back also in case it does get iced up or fogged up. Power seat located right here. Power lumbar located right behind that. It does have WeatherTech floor liners throughout this vehicle. Definitely nice when it comes to cleaning them out. You just rip them out, spray them off, and throw them back in. Nice feature to have. On the inside of this vehicle, on the driver's side steering wheel on the left-hand side, you do have all the capabilities right here to operate your radio functions, and also your volume located right underneath that. This vehicle is equipped with hands-free capability, so you can program your phone directly into the radio, and you can simply answer your phone by hitting the phone button right here, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system, and then when you're done, it hangs up automatically. You're not reaching for your phone while driving down the road, which is a really nice feature to have. This DISP button stands for display. It's located right underneath there. It operates the display located right here in the center, in between your RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge. It'll show you a bunch of different stuff, from your trailer brake features. Settings are also in there: average fuel economy, current fuel economy, distance till empty, elapsed time, average speed, and just a bunch of other features that are located in there. Nice thing to have. Your cruise control in this vehicle is located on the backhand side of the steering wheel right here. This is where you turn it on and off, you resume, you're set. You can also decrease your speed right there too. Factory brake control located right here, and does have your gains located right here on the side. Like I said, it is four-wheel drive, and right here is where you'd operate your four-wheel drive system. Very nice large touchscreen radio. As you can see here, I have it on a split screen right now, so my audio is on the left-hand side, and it's also showing my current temperature and where I'm located right there on the right-hand side. You can put it all on audio, as you can see there. You also have the home button, which does give you the split screen. And this does have some apps built in it. So you have your audio features, you have your phone, which we talked about. It also gives you current messages about your current vehicle, if there's something going on with it, your settings features. And this vehicle does also have the capability, you can subscribe to it and get traffic alerts and also weather alerts and current weather while driving down the road if you'd like. All your climate control features are located right here in these three knobs right here. The far left one operates the speed, the center one operates the temperature, and then the far right hand side one operates how you want your airflow to come out. Plenty of cup holders, total of 3, 1 located up top, 2 right here beside the shifter. Very nice large armrest slash cubby hole for knickknacks. And a very, very large storage bin right underneath your armrest. It also does have a 12-volt plug located right there. All in all, the interior on this thing is in very good condition. I don't notice any rips, tears, or stains. And just like the front, the rear does have the full WeatherTech liner located all the way across. And just like the front, the rear seat is in very, very good condition. It also obviously can sit up to 3 people, but it also does have a center armrest that can be flipped down with cup holders. This vehicle does have child safety hooks located in the 2 outside seats. They're just right in the sides here. Really nice if you do have them car seats. You can tether them in safely and securely. If you're looking for a really nice used lifted truck, this may be the one for you. Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8. It does have the lift kit on it, the oversized tires, aftermarket rims, touchscreen radio, hands-free capability, power sliding rear glass, and many more features. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, make sure you please hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit and a full description of it, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. And for the guaranteed best price on any new or pre-owned vehicle, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.